Welcome to TOS Hub Hardware Review. Tecno Company announced its new smartphones on 10th October 2024. In this video, we will review the Tecno Camon 30s hardware specifications. There are 10 main categories and over 60 subcategories for in-depth hardware specification analysis. Further, the rank of each hardware specification is calculated against already available smartphones in the market. Then finally we will know about the class of smartphones like low-end, mid-end, high-end, flagship or premium. Let's proceed to first category, about design factors and build materials. Tecno Camon 30s design and build material hardware rank bases on 7 parameters. It includes weight, dimensional volume, cosmetic colors, ingress protection level, front glass material, middle frame material, and back cover material. By comparing the design and build material specification with available smartphones, the score rank stands at 36% scale. Second category is display. Tecno Camon 30s display hardware rank bases on 10 parameters. It includes form factor, technology type, size, resolution, refresh rate, peak brightness, screen-to-body ratio, number of colors, pixel density and other display features. By comparing the display specification with available smartphones, the score rank stands at 61% scale. Proceeding to third category, which is about camera. Tecno Camon 30s camera's hardware rank bases on 5 parameters. It includes wide camera, telephoto camera, ultra-wide camera, macro or depth camera, and front camera. By comparing the camera specification with available smartphones, the score rank stands at 25% scale. Fourth category is about chipset. Tecno Camon 30s chipset hardware rank bases on 5 parameters. It includes CPU high, mid, and low clocks, CPU performance cores and efficiency cores, CPU ARM architectures, and GPU clocks. By comparing the chipset specification with available smartphones, the score rank stands at 23% scale. Next is fifth category, about RAM and storage memories. Tecno Camon 30s RAM and storage hardware rank bases on 2 parameters. It includes processing memory capacity and type and storage memory capacity and type. By comparing the RAM and storage specification with available smartphones, the score rank stands at 18% scale. Proceeding to sixth category, which is about connectivity. Tecno Camon 30s connectivity hardware rank bases on 10 parameters. It includes cellular network, satellite system, navigation system, Wi-Fi, Bluetooth, infrared and USB port. By comparing the connectivity specification with available smartphones, the score rank stands at 34% scale. Seventh category is about sensors. Tecno Camon 30s sensors hardware rank bases on multiple sensors. It includes an accelerometer, ALS, compass, optical fingerprint sensor, gyroscope, and proximity sensor. By comparing the sensor specification with available smartphones, the score rank stands at 60% scale. Now we are moving to 8th category, about battery and charging. Tecno Camon 30s battery and charging hardware rank bases on 6 parameters. It includes battery type, battery capacity, wired charging power, wireless charging power, reverse charging power and charging adapter. By comparing the battery and charging specifications with available smartphones, the score rank stands at 42% scale. Ninth category is about multimedia. Tecno Camon 30s multimedia hardware rank bases on 6 parameters. It includes photos, video, music, gaming, and other multimedia features. By comparing the multimedia specification with available smartphones, the score rank stands at 25% scale. Let's proceed to 10th category, about operating system and user interface. Tecno Camon 30s OS and UI rank bases on 6 parameters. It includes the operating system, OS UI version, mobile service framework, future major updates and security updates. By comparing the OS UI specification with available smartphones, the score rank stands at 71% scale. All categories average rank. By combining all categories, the average score is 39%, which means that Tecno Camon 30s hardware specification value stands at level 39 out of 100. Final conclusion. According to the smartphone class table, the Tecno Camon 30s is mid-end, top-level smartphone device. There are some features which are not available in Tecno Camon 30s like no telephoto camera, no ultrawide camera, no optical zoom, no eSIM, no satellite SOS service, no infrared, no 3.5mm audio jack, no barometer, no ultra-fast charging, no wireless charging. That's all from this video. Thanks for watching. If you found this video helpful, do support us by liking, subscribing and sharing this video. Your feedback is important to us. About this video, share your thoughts in the comments below. See you in next video. Take care.